n terms. Okay. First, sum of n terms. Sum of APVD sum of the general form of APVD means general form of it means what? General form of AP. General form of AP. What is it? A plus D, A plus 2D, comma. It goes like this only. At last we take the last term. Last term is what? Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So before that what will come? That 1 less than that. What is the 1 less than that? A plus n minus 2 into D. A plus n minus d. If we comes this side, it becomes a plus n minus 3 into d. If we comes this side, it becomes a plus n minus 4 into d. Like that it will go. Okay. Okay. This is the general form of APV. If I added this general form, what I will get? I will add sum. S means sum, adding. Sum is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus so on plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is the next step? Next step is the reverse of this. Reverse this sum. Okay. This summation we have to reverse. Reverse means from the last we have to write. So, and write this one S only. From the last I will write. What is the last is there? Last term. Last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Plus. Before that, a plus n minus 2 into d. So here I write this one at the end. So a plus d plus a. So these two sums I will add now. I will add. If I add it, what I will get? S plus S is 2s. S plus S is 2s I will get. Now you add and say a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So what it becomes? This becomes 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next one I will have here a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. So what I will get? A becomes 2a plus here d is there. If I open this one, nd minus 2d. So what it becomes? 2a. This is d plus nd. Again, if I take a common out, I will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So same term will come everywhere. Okay, everywhere we will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Everywhere till the end we will get the same answer. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus at last also we will get same d. If you want to check this n minus 1 into d, you add it. You get. So how many times 2a plus n minus 1 into d? We don't know. There is a dots in between the numbers, isn't it? So I will write, I don't know, so I write it is n times. N times n, maybe 10, and maybe 100, and maybe lakh, we don't know. So it is a n times. So how can I write? This is 2s, this is 2s. So 2a plus n minus 1 is n times. 2a plus n minus 1 is n times. N times 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N times it is there. Now, I want only the sum. I want only the sum. I bring these two down. I bring these two down. It becomes n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, this is what we need a formula. This is the formula for sum of first n terms. This is the formula, required formula to find sum of first n terms. So the derivation till here they are not asked with us. Only the formula is important. Derivation is not difficult but not asked to put till here. In 3-4 years they are not asked. This year also they may not ask. Don't worry. Okay, but you must know everything. Okay, now, so I have the formula sum of n terms, sum of first n term is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Into d. Now, so Sn means here, I will write the terms where Sn means sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms. N is, you must know each term. What is the meaning of each term you must know. N is number of terms. N is number of terms. Number of terms. N is number of terms. What is meant by A? A is a first term. A is a first term. What is meant by B? B is a common difference. Let's see. Common difference. Understood each term. Now I can derive one more formula using this. I can derive one more formula using this. Which is that? So Sn is equal to n by 2. Now here 2a is there. I split that a. 2a is there. I split this one. A plus a. 2a becomes a plus a. Is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. Now n by 2. Just observe here. What is it? Anybody can tell me what is this? A plus n minus 1 into d is what?
Formula.
Huh?
AN formula.
Very good. It is an AN from this one. Okay, it is a AN formula. So A plus this becomes AN. So this is a one more formula. This formula we will use at second means this formula for each and every problem. Okay, this formula for suitable for each and every problem, but sometimes it is helpless because A is given, A is given, N is given. If they ask us, shortly we can do. That we will come to the later. Don't take any attention. This is one. A and one more thing is there for A and is the last term. Last term also we will denote it as L. Last term L. Okay. This is also same. Instead of A, we use L. Okay. Now in Sn, one more formula will come. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This formula only suitable for the natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers. So these many formulas will come in this lesson. At last one more is there, some arithmetic mean that we'll see later. So these many formulas, using these are all formulas, we will solve the problems now. Okay, it's easy, it's not difficult, but understanding is very important here. Understanding the question. have to understand the meaning of the question. That is important. Okay. Okay. Now we will go for the problem section. If the sum of first 14 terms, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP of an AP of an AP is 1050,050 and its first term is 10 and its first term is 10. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. Question is like this. Here's the question. If the sum, it is important here. Where sum comes, you have to go for exact term. If the sum of first 14 terms, if the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050. Sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 means S14 is 1050. And its first term is 10. First term is 8. It is 10. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. Now understand. Find the 20th term. Not sum of 20th term. Not x20 here. 20th term is A20. A20. Please try to understand because 20th term is different. Sum of 20th term is different. Understood? 20th term is A20. Sum of 20th term is S20. Okay. Now, S40 equal to 1050. Now I write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, first, don't concentrate on this. First, we have here n is 40. We have complete Sn. We have a. So what we need is Sn is there, n is there, a is there. Now, so we have to find the value of d now first. After finding value, we can go for a value. Sn is nothing but S14. N value is 14 here. Okay. 2 into A value is 10 here. A value is 10 here. Plus N is 14 here minus 1 B we don't know. 2 1 here to here cancellation. If it is possible you can cancel. Always it is not possible. Sometimes it is possible. 7. 2 7s are. So S40 value is what here? 1050. That is equal to 7. Here 2 tens are 20. Plus 14 minus 1 is 13d. 1050 is equal to, now see here 20 is there, here 13 is there and it contains d. So don't go for addition here. One unknown is there. With the unknown we cannot add a constant number. So we multiply. 140 plus 7 into 191b. From 7 you have to multiply both. Now I will bring this 140 here. 1050 minus 140 is equal to 91b. 1050 minus 140, 0, 1. 9 minus 1.
9 10 teacher.
What? Answer.
910.
Okay, 910. So 910 is equal to 91b. Therefore, D becomes what? 910 divided by 91, that is 10. See? We got 9, D value as 10. Okay, we got A value, we have A value, Sn value. So now, therefore, A20 is equal to, what is the AN formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A20 is equal to A is what? 10. N is what? 20 here. 20 minus 1. D we got as 10. Right? So 10 plus 19 into 10. So 10 plus 190. That is equal to 200. So A20 value is 200. This much we have to do. What? Just a minute. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Simple I'll give. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, so on. Now, given is what? Given AP is 8, 3, minus 2. List of the terms. A is equal to 8, D is equal to 3, minus 8 is minus 5. Careful about the sign. And N is the sum of 22 terms, right? If find the 22 term means AN. Find sum of 22 means SN. So SN formula will write once. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, SN is 22 is equal to 22 divided by 2. 2A, 2 into A value is 8 plus N minus 1, 22 minus 1, D value is minus 5. Okay. Here also we can cancel 11, 18 plus 21 into minus 5, 11, 18 plus into minus, minus 5, 10. So 105 minus 18 is how much? 7, 9 minus 1 is 8. 11 into minus 87.
Teacher.
7. Stronger. Yes.
2 8 is
2 is 16. Very good. Correct. Then it becomes 9. Correct? Now correct, no? 9. 11 is 88 plus 9. 97. Correct? Appa, who's that? Please meet Sharanya. Sharanya. Please meet. Sharanya, please mute yourself. Yes. Yes. So S22 is equal to minus 979 is the answer. So next one. Next, how many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? Third one, how many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? 24, 21, 18, so on. So on must be taken so that their sum is 78. Their sum is 78. Now read the question. How many terms means we must find n? How many terms means we must find n? Of the AP is given as 24, 21, 18, so on. So what is the value of A here? Value of A is 24. What is the value of D? 21 minus 24 is minus 3. Next, so that their sum is 78 means Sn value is given as 78. Sn value is given as 78. N is asked us to find. Okay, N is asked us to find. Okay, write the formula once. Each and every time write the formula, then formula will get by heart. Okay. Yes, N is not given. N is not given. 2A is given it as 24 plus N is not given. D is given it as minus 3. Sn value completely it is given it as 78. N is not given means we can't do anything like it is like this only. 24, 48. Correct, no? Multiplication. Now, multiply. We done in AN. Minus 3 plus n. Minus 3n. Minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Now, when we cannot cancel here to here, up to down, then don't go to cancel here, okay? Open your eyes and open your ear and listen here once. Don't cancel here to here because it is not a single term, it contains 3 terms. If it is single term, if these numbers are not there, okay, you can cancel. But here it is 3 terms, so please don't cancel here to here. It's a request. Next, if you cancel, I will give you nicely one. Now, so you bring it here, no problem. You bring it here. 8 2s are 16, 1, 2 4s are 7, 14 and 15, 156 equal to n 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. Now this n we have to multiply, we will get a quadratic equation here, 156, 51 into n, 51n minus n into 3n minus 3n square. Write it properly means in the order power wise. So it becomes, I'll take everything in the left, to the left side, 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Now whole equation will divide by 3. First, when you are getting a quadratic equation, first thing you must observe the whole equation is divisible by any number or not. If it divides, you have to divide, otherwise it's difficult to find the roots. You divide 3 by 3 means n square, here 17s are, here 53s are, 52s are. Correct, no? 3 5s are 3 2s, yes. Now we know the factorization. You have studied already in your last year. Factorization, first into last, this will come everywhere now, factorization. And minus 17n. Minus 17n. So which numbers are possible? 13 4s, I think. 13n, 4n. 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 1s are 4, 1 5. 52 we got, n square we got, but here minus is there. When it contains minus in this place, bigger one is always minus. If now I am writing here minus 13 plus 4 becomes not 17. Minus 13 plus 4 becomes not 17, and minus plus minus comes. So both are minus. Minus 13 minus 4 is minus 17. Okay. Now n square minus 13n minus 4n. In this place I have written this one, and last term 52. Factorization is over last year. Now take the common out. n minus 13. Now here minus is there. Careful, when here comes minus, that inner service sign will get changed. n minus 13 is equal to 0. n minus 4 is equal to 0. One thing, one more is n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n is either 4 or 13. Okay? N value is either 4 or 13. Okay, this is the method. Next one problem. Next problem I'll take for the natural number. Find the sum of question number 4. Find the sum of first 1000 positive numbers. Positive integer. First 1000 positive. 1000 positive integer, right? 80. 1, 2, sum Allah. Let's talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till thousands we have to do. Till 1000 you have to do. Either you apply your SN formula or you can apply the natural number formula also here. Eradu kuda okay. You can apply your SN formula also okay. SN is equal to n by 2. Write A, D, n you take it as 1000 and apply. Otherwise, we can directly apply the natural number formula here because 1, 2, 3, 4 is a natural number, right? Only when the number comes like this 1, 2, 3, 4, then only you can apply the natural number system, other natural number formula. For other terms, we cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4 compulsory it should come. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes, sir. 1000 now. 1000 positive number they say. 1000 plus 1 divided by 2. So, what is the answer? 500 sir. 500 into 1001. Anybody is free? Multiply and give me. 5005. 500, 500. This is the answer. This is easy. If you got natural numbers, it's very easy. One step problem. Otherwise, little work is there for us. Okay, now just hold your mobile. Yes. Now, there is 5 minutes. Okay, let's stop. I'll take one question from the an exercise. One fraction question is given from exercise 1.3, Roman number 1, fourth question. 1 by 15, AP is given as 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, to 11 terms. Find the sum of 11 terms here. Find the sum they are given, then given this. Okay. Start A, 1 by 15, D, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. We must take the LCM of the denominator here. 15 and 12 LCM, 3 5s are 3 4s are. 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM, 12 5s are, this becomes 5, 15 4s are, this becomes 4. Taking LCM you don't know. Or I have to teach that also now. Okay, now what is there with us? N is there, N is 11. Okay, we'll start. Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 to a is what? 1 by 15 plus n minus 1 is 11 minus 1 into d is what? 1 by 60. Any calculation mistake is then inform me. 2 into 1, up it goes. 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1, 10 by 60. Once again we have to take the LCM of the denominator here. This, not this one, that one. Now S11 is equal to 11 by 2. LCM you have to take 15 and 60. LCM will be 60. If you want to check. 5 3s are 5 12s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 5 3s are 15 fours are 60. Okay. LCM becomes 60 here. 15 fours are 2 fours are 8. Plus 61s are 10 ones are 10. 11 by 2. 18 divided by 60. Now single term, single term, single term. Now can cancel. Now can cancel. Single. Plus minus is not there. 2 ones are 2 nines are. 3 threes are 3 20s are. So what remains? 11 into 3, 33 divided by 20 is remaining. This is the answer. I think you understood. Simple questions only solved today.